Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to read unit number 5 of your English textbook. This is a poem. First of all, we will write the date 24th July 2020, classwork and day Friday on the top of page number 747. The earth is round. A frog is sitting on a log. A log is a piece of wood. STANDING standing. NEAR near. IS is a SHAGGY. Shaggy. Shaggy means long thick fur. DOG dog. Bow wow SAY says THE DOG dog. Bow wow to you. And THE the FROG frog SAYS says how do you do. A frog is sitting on a piece of wood and a dog is standing. A dog which has a long thick fur is standing near the frog, and the dog says bow wow to the frog, and the frog says how are you. As you can see in the picture that the frog is sitting on a log and a dog with a long thick fur is standing near the frog. If you like, SAY says THE DOG dog. CUME come, WITS with ME. If you like, says the dog, come with me. HAVE have RIDE right. Ride mean a journey. O and on, MYMI, BACK back, FR4, FREE free. We will WLK walk and TALK talk, AND and TRAVEL travel, FAR far. And oh no, NWD need, FR4, PLANE plane, TRAN train, BOAT boat or car. If you like, says the dog, come with me, have a ride on my back for free. We will walk and talk and travel far. No need for plane, train, boat or car. The dog says to the frog, if you like, you can sit on my back for traveling. We will walk and also talk with each other, and we don't need any plane, train, boat or car. HW how NIC in nice. SAY says THE the FROG frog. For I have HEARD heard. FRM from DEAR dear mean close. FRIND friend of MINE mine a bird. THET that. THE the EARTH earth. IS is NOT not. FLAT flat. Flat means smooth. But ROUND round. AND and THE the SKY sky. NEVE are never. MWTS meets mean touches. THE the GROUND ground. The frog says how nice, how good it is. I have heard from my dear friend, my close friend, which is a bird, that the earth is not flat, that the earth is not smooth, but the earth is round and the sky can't touch the ground. Now we'll move to the next page, page number 48. So O F double F of THEY they GO go FR4 WHLE whole DAY day. THE the RIDES rides FUN fun. I am HAPPY happy. TO2 SAY say. Then they went for a ride for a whole day, and the frog is saying that this is a very fine journey. I really like it. That the journey is very happy, that the journey is very good. AND TH where the FIND find, TH the ERTH earth, IS is round, RUND round, TH the SK sky, NEV are never, TOUCHS touches, TH the GROUND ground. So they went for a ride for a whole day, and the frog is saying that I am happy to say that the ride is very good, and at the end they find that the earth is round and the sky can't touch the ground. Now you have to read page number 47 and 48 by yourself. The words which I have underlined, you also underline that these words on your book. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.